you're a baker, then I'm sure this is going to be very offensive.
This is really embarrassing.
No smoke with me. Been turn this go up 800 degree. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit. I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm rich.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a pumpkin pie bake with me video. My sister and I actually made this on Halloween, and I was like, let me film it because it'll just be like a fun little segment, because I've never filmed a bake with me. Like, I do cooking videos, but this is a little different, and we did run into some mishaps, but it all worked out in the end, so stay tuned to see all of that. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to link all the measurements and ingredients down below so you can check it out and follow the recipe. And we actually used butternut squash because we couldn't find any pumpkins, because we left it to like the last day to get it on Halloween, so there wasn't really anything left. But it worked out perfectly. Like, apparently it's like the exact same thing. And we're also back in a national lockdown in the UK, so I hope everyone's staying home and staying safe. Let me know any other baking videos you'd like to see me film. I'm not the greatest baker, but you know, we try. I feel like that's what lockdown's been about for a lot of people, trying new things. So yeah, if you do want to see anything, then let me know and I'll definitely try it out. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So we kind of forgot to melt the butter, so it looks a little... No, it does not look great, so we'll just have to put it in and just see what happens, but...
That does taste delicious.
It tastes good. So we poured the
Poured it into our little pie crust, and you know what, we'll just have to see. I'm sure the butter melts, but if you're a baker, then I'm sure this is going to be very offensive.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
So a minute in, the butter's melted, so I'm excited to see. Okay, we should stop opening this up, but excited! Okay, so kind of came out better than we expected. The one's a little bit burnt, but it was fine. Cover it with some whipped cream.
For a slice of fried gold. Yeah, boy! Vital that you stay in your homes. You make no attempt to reach your loved one and avoid all physical contact.
Wow, COVID.
Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real!
But on a serious note, stay home and stay safe, especially if you're in the UK, and even if you're not, like, wherever you are, just stay safe. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next Monday. Thanks for watching, guys.